The rise of the modern IT leader. This is a three-pronged approach. The role of IT leadership is undergoing a major shift. Gone are the days of the IT executive solely focused on internal systems. Today, we need a new breed, the modern IT leader. This leader isn't just about fixing servers and troubleshooting software. They are strategic visionaries, wielding technology as a weapon for business success. But how do we achieve this transformation? As I previously mentioned, the modern IT leadership is a three-pronged approach that requires IT leaders to transform in three key areas. First one is business partner. As a true business partner, the IT leader speaks the language of business. They understand the company's goals and translate technical solutions into tangible business benefits. They are not just reactive, but proactive, aligning IT initiatives with strategic objectives. Secondly, the forecaster. Gone are the days of constant firefighting. Modern leaders leverage data analytics to predict potential issues and proactively manage IT operations. They become forecasters, using trends to optimize performance and ensure business continuity. Finally, the team coach. Modern leaders empower their teams. They shift from dictating tasks to setting clear expectations. They foster a culture of ownership and provide support and coaching to unlock individual and team potential. If you carefully examine the interplay between these transformations, you might notice that they're not independent. They work together harmoniously. By sharpening your business acumen, you can better understand business needs and leverage data to identify trends that impact them. This empowers you to coach your team to develop solutions with a clear understanding of the business impact. Did you see the synergy between these transformations? It's like each of them supports and enhances the others. Now, let's talk about the modern IT leader. By embracing these three areas, you become a leader who not only manages technology, but leverages it to drive innovation, optimize resources, and propel your business forward. You become a trusted advisor, a strategic partner at the forefront of business success. This transformation journey may seem daunting, but the rewards are undeniable. It's about positioning IT as a strategic driver of the company's future, not just a cost center. So, are you ready to step up and become the modern IT leader your company needs? At this point, you might have a question. So what's the difference between IT management and IT leadership? Let's briefly discuss what separates the two. IT managers have the technical focus. If you think about it, they are experts in their technical domains, ensuring smooth operation of existing systems. On the other hand, IT leaders, while possessing strong technical knowledge, prioritize a strategic view. They look at the bigger picture, understanding how IT can support and drive overall business goals. Here's an analogy. Imagine an IT manager as a skilled mechanic, ensuring a car runs smoothly. You get the picture, right? Now, think of an IT leader as the visionary car designer. They're focused on creating the next generation of vehicles and figuring out how these innovations fit into the company's overall strategy. See the difference? Another difference between an IT manager and an IT leader comes down to operational efficiency versus driving innovation and change. IT managers excel at keeping existing systems running optimally and resolving day-to-day technical issues. But IT leaders, they're not just concerned with maintaining the status quo. They're also anticipating future business needs and identifying innovative technologies. For instance, while an IT manager might ensure a stable email system, an IT leader might explore implementing AI-powered chatbots to streamline customer service. See how their focus differs? If you carefully think about the difference between IT managers and IT leaders, you might notice a shift in focus. Managers handle the day-to-day, overseeing the IT staff and delegating tasks to get the job done. IT leaders, on the other hand, are all about inspiration and motivation. They want to create a whole different atmosphere for their teams. Did you see the similarities between the two? They both manage people, but leaders go a step further. They foster a culture of collaboration and innovation, which gets everyone working together and thinking creatively. It's not just about completing tasks, it's about helping the team develop their skills and reach their full potential. Remember how we talked about the key differences between IT managers and leaders? Things like focusing on the technical nitty-gritty versus the big picture strategy, keeping things running smoothly versus driving innovation, and managing people versus truly inspiring and motivating them. Well, buckle up because we're about to jump into the heart of it all. If you carefully consider this module as the foundation of your entire IT leadership journey, you might notice just how crucial these principles are for your future success. Think of it like the cornerstone of a building, absolutely essential for everything else to come together. In this section, we'll tackle 3 transformations vital to IT leaders. First up, from tech guru to business partner. We're breaking free of those technical blinders. You'll learn to align IT solutions with the bigger picture of organizational success. Next, from firefighter to forecaster. Remember all that firefighting you do? Let's turn those skills into proactive superpowers. We'll explore how to use data, predict future issues, and manage risks for a smoother, way less stressful operation. Imagine being ahead of the curve instead of constantly reacting. Finally, from taskmaster to team coach. Instead of micromanaging, let's unlock your team's potential. Coaching, delegation, and building trust become your new leadership tools. You'll see how empowering your team can lead to incredible results. So, pay close attention. The concepts we cover here will echo through everything you do as you step into the role of a truly influential and successful IT leader. Let's take a moment to acknowledge the growing number of IT experts who have ascended to the CEO position. Starting with Satya Nadella of Microsoft. Nadella began his career at Microsoft in 1992 and worked in various roles related to cloud and enterprise before becoming CEO in 2014. His technical background helped him pivot Microsoft towards cloud computing, significantly increasing the company's market value. Next, Sundar Pichai of Google. Pichai joined Google in 2004, leading product management and innovation for a suite of Google's client software products, including Google Chrome and Chrome OS. His engineering and management skills contributed to his promotion to CEO of Google in 2015 and later Alphabet Inc. in 2019. Next, Ginni Rometty of IBM. Rometty started at IBM in 1981 as a systems engineer. Her deep technical knowledge and leadership in various roles, including heading IBM Global Services, led to her becoming CEO in 2012. She focused on analytics, cloud computing, and cognitive computing, steering IBM through significant transformations. Finally, Tim Cook of Apple. Cook's background in industrial engineering and his extensive experience in operations and supply chain management at Apple positioned him well to succeed Steve Jobs as CEO in 2011. Under his leadership, Apple has expanded its product lines and services significantly. So why are all these IT experts conquering the CEO positions? It's because they are the perfect embodiment of what modern IT leadership is all about. They get the power of technology, but more importantly, they see how it's intricately linked to the success of the whole business. They're not just techies in a fancy suit, they're the future.